welcome back. So sorry for the long wait. I literally been in and out. I haven't been home. Like, I don't even remember the last weekend I've been home, and I'm still not home. But I just wanted to touch base real quick with you guys. So tonight, I'm definitely feeling like a little bit of a little drinkish. So bear with me. So I have this big ass bottle of Ciroc. You know what I'm saying? But I don't want Ciroc. So I have lime. And I'm gonna rush real quick. Ain't got my glass. I was already making a drink earlier. So bear with me here. What I'm gonna do is, you know what? I'm gonna go my freezer. So I literally keep these in the freezer to help me make it easier when I'm about to make drinks. So let's put this back where it was. So what I'm gonna do is basically try to, what the heck? This is why I don't like to move this thing, but once you move it, you screw. So anyway, okay, I have this. So, and I have real lime. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run on the other side, get what I'm gonna use. Yeah, we're gonna use vodka. We're gonna use vodka. We're gonna grab some ginger beer, if I can reach it. I'll be right back. So stay right there. First thing first, get some ice, baby. Dun, dun, dun. Ice, baby. Hey, so, some ice. All right. You can use whatever type of vodka you want. This is what I have at home. So again, I'm gonna eyeball these babies. We're gonna count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 12, 13. Well, today's the 14th. What's today's the 13th? No, the 14th. 14. We're just gonna put 14 in there. And then we're gonna take a ginger beer. You can use whatever brand you want, but this is the only one I have right now. So. Woo. Take a ginger beer. That's good enough for me. Lime juice. You can squeeze lime in there, or if you want to, you can just get the raw one. Just a little bit of squeeze. Add a little bit of ginger beer with your finger or with straw. Cheers. Ooh. Yes. 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 Ooh, yes. Ooh, yes. Ooh, yes. Ooh. So, again, thanks for joining me today. I really appreciate it. Sorry guys, I'll be back for more with more content. So for now, I'm not cooking because I'm traveling in and out of town and my hair looking crazy, but catch my drift. Cheers. And again, happy holidays from me to yours.
Jeg hitter kløben som om hverdag var en lørdag. Så mange damer er og drikka stopp på meg. Så jeg lener meg tilbake, livet mitt er deg. Fyll din kopp, fyller den til topp. Og tømmer den på 1, 2, 3. Så fyll din kopp, sier ikke stopp før jeg passer ut på 3, 2, 1.